this apartment building. I like this little lobby here. It's very 60s. And here we have Jason. Very not 60s.
No.
Jason was installed in the 90s.
Yes.
Got a bumper?
Danger.
Oh, yeah.
Do not hold.
Uh-oh, I'm breaking the rules. Better get in here then. Hold up. Gotta show this. Armor. Goodbye, Jason.
Bye.
Off we go. It's literally just on each side. And down it goes. Okay. We wait. But first, I like that little in-use light. That's cool. There's the elevator. Armor. Danger. If they have to put do not hold, how did they have it open long enough to put that letter on there, huh? There's an invoice. They paid $43. Look. Here's your panel. Down we go. That will be all.